The snap command is a very useful and an alternative, which is, I would say, that is the most used way to entry points. And it is an alternative to entry coordinates, which sometimes are a little more difficult and tedious. So the idea with the snaps, it is to find specific points and important points in your drawing. For example, there are a huge amount of snap possibilities. I can catch specific points. Example, this endpoint, this intersection point, center, uh, another one that is not activated, quadrant, and so on. So it is important to have the idea that in AutoCAD, um, to assure that we catch, for example, this endpoint, we need to see this kind of tip saying that I'm in the endpoint. We cannot be close and think that we are in the endpoint. And this is valid for all the other snaps that we can use in AutoCAD. Um, we can do something that it is to define which ones are active. We have all of these, so endpoint, extension, midpoint, insertion, center, and so on. I think the names are more or less obvious, so it doesn't make much sense to go through them. But it is important to understand that it's not a good practice to have them all activated always, because in simple drawings, um, there is not much confusion. But if we have drawings with a lot of entities and with some complexity, then the system will start to catch everything, and this is a little annoying to say the least. So I would recommend to have three or four that are the most important ones. Always endpoint, midpoint, the extension, not so much, center, in, intersection, and basically these ones are the most important ones. So we can have a couple of them activated by default like this. So now I will catch the points, only the ones that are on the definition, and I can turn off this help. So now I cannot catch neither the ones that are defined and none of these helps. Okay, so this is more valid when we say if we don't assure that we have the end point as an example, we are not catching the end point. So if we don't have the help activated, it may be graphically that we are on top of the endpoint, but if you start to zoom in, you will see that in fact, we did not catch the endpoint. Okay, we need to have the specific help to catch the specific point also. Um, Another important idea about this command, and some users prefer to work like that, instead of having always this activated, sometimes it's in fact it's a little annoying, and as I don't personally recommend to have all these snap reference points activated because it will disturb your work. Some users prefer to activate a specific help only for a specific point. Example, I don't have it turn it on, so nothing it is recognized, but I want to catch the endpoint now. for the system for the specific first point test that the system is asking me. So I will click Shift in my keyboard and keep it pressed, and I will do right mouse click. So it will open this temporary menu. I will choose endpoint, and now the system it's only recognizing endpoints. So I will catch this one, click, and I return to my initial mode where none of these snap points is recognized. And I could do the same for the second point. For example, if I would need to catch the center, Shift, Center, done.